Mike, Lone Cedar Outdoors, coming to you from outside Durango, Colorado this weekend. We are just with the family. We're going to do a little camp. We're on a campsite, so we're going to get this fire going. We got some hamburgers to cook up today. They are black and blue burgers, I call them. They have some blue cheese with some black cracked pepper. We're going to make up. Get some s'mores going. It's going to start raining soon, so stick around, guys. We'll get this thing going. So we got the mini mite we're going to use today. Get this going here. We'll try to get a nice fire going because it is going to rain soon. Nice bed of coals this should produce. So stick around, folks. This is what we're cooking with today. Made them already at the house, at the place. So let's get this going. We're in a bit. We're gonna get it going. I should say. We want those to burn down the coals. That's our raging fire right now. See, we got a little. Everybody's seen this type of setup, I'm sure. I did it like this just due to the rain. I wanted to sustain the rain because the rain's gonna come soon. So yeah, stick around. We'll get these burgers on once it breaks the coals. Thanks. What's up, guys? So I want to get some corn on. I'm gonna move this to the side here. I want this to smolder up on the side. I'm gonna put the corn there. We got corn today, so I'm gonna throw it off to the side right here so it'll start doing its thing, cooking up a little bit. Alright, we got some hamburgers right here. These are the black on blue, cordon cheese, and the big black pepper spice. So got the corn going. It's getting ready to pound on us. Fire's a little low right now, so that'll be good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here for now. See if we can get them going. And I'll watch this so that way it doesn't burn up right away. So, yeah, there we go. Alright, folks, you can see we got them grilling up in here, frying up I should say. Oh my. Get some of that grease on them. And then over here, I got stuffed underneath. Put it back in. And I got one on this side too. Some corn. So we'll let this get going. We'll see you soon because we're going to break these up into sliders. I brought some smoked cheddar today, aged smoked cheddar. So we're going to top this off, and hopefully our corn will be done soon. Stick around. All right. We're gonna go ahead and top this off with some cheese. Split them in half. Get those all toasty, baby. We're about ready. So it's grilling up nicely. I'm gonna split this one here, right down the middle. we brought some Hawaiian rolls with us today. We're just gonna top them off kind of like little sliders. Whoop, there we go. You guys eating?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it good?
Yeah.
How's the hamburger?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cheesy?
Yeah.
Good. So these look pretty good. They've been sitting there for a while. I'm going to pull them off. Set them aside. I'm going to position this right here for the kiddos. And I'll come back to it. They smell good. Alright, let's peel it open. See what we got cooking here. Oh, wow. Ah, shoot. That is hot. Look at that. Woo-wee. Oh, hey guys. I didn't even see you there. I was trying to clean my knife off after using it to cut up some meat earlier, but anyway. Anyhow, this was Mike, Lone Cedar Outdoors. We had a great day. Nice time in Durango. My camera's dying, so I have to cut this whole thing short. It's not as much as I wanted, but anyhow, I didn't charge the camera though. It's an idiot move by myself. So, me and the wife and the kiddos, we'll see you next time. Mike, Lone Cedar Outdoors.